Be careful with this question. Once Peter has passed his driving test, he's not going to take it again. So if we look at the tree diagram, the probability of him passing is 0.7, which means the probability of him failing on his first attempt is 0.3. If he passes, that's it, he stops, he doesn't do it again. So if he fails, though, he takes it again, has a second attempt, and he could pass or he could fail. And they tell us that if he fails, the probability he passes at the next attempt is 0.8. Maybe he tries a bit harder, I don't know. Anyway, passing 0.8, failing 0.2. So the probability that he needs 2 attempts to pass his driving test is the probability that he fails at the first attempt and then he passes. So if we look on the tree diagram, failing then passing, that means this route here, so fail followed by pass. So that's going to be 0.3 multiplied by 0.8, which is 0.24. Okay, third part of the question says, what's the probability that he passes his test at the third or fourth attempt? So if we just redraw the tree diagram quickly, I'm just going to save time by writing P and F. That's 0.7, that's 0.3. If he fails, then he does it again. So this is his second attempt in which he can pass or fail. That's 0.8, 0.2. So passing his driving test at the third attempt, well, that means that he must fail, and then pass. So if we carry on with the tree diagram, okay, at his third attempt, well, that's this level, he either passes or he fails, and every subsequent attempt is always 0.8, 0.2. So fail, pass, if we go along this route here, that's 0.3 times 0.2 times 0.8, and that comes out as 0.048. Okay, passing on his fourth attempt, okay, that means that he fails, then he fails, then he fails, and then he passes. Now that's going to be fail, and then pass here, which is 0.8. So if we multiply those together, that's 0.3 times 0.2 times 0.2 times 0.8. That comes out as 0.0072. So failing at the third attempt, that's 0.048. Passing at the fourth attempt is 0.0072, and that we know for probabilities, if we want to work out the probability of one or the other happening, we're going to add them up. So we're going to do 0.048 plus 0.0072, and if we add those together we get 0.0552, which is the final